Australia is one of the luckiest countries in the world. It is rich in nearly every resource, except one: water. Surviving in one of the driest countries on Earth is particularly difficult, especially for our flora. In the first few months of a plant's life, access to water is crucial. Now, there is a product that dramatically improves a plant's survival rate by nurturing it through the most vulnerable period: WaterTube. WaterTube results are as dramatic as its design is simple. It's a robust tree guard with a difference. Its double skin of tough, sun-resistant polyethylene acts as an excellent guard against vermin, livestock, and nature's more severe weather elements. But there's another attribute that sets this marvellous device apart from a mere tree guard. It holds over 20 litres of life-giving water. This provides the plant with the vital nurturing ingredient, essential to its survival. Independent tests conducted by Charles Sturt University in Australia produced some remarkable results for WaterTube. Tree growth rates and survival were measured comparing planting with WaterTube, unwatered standard tree guards, and irrigated tree guards. The trial, over 12 months, conclusively demonstrated the benefits of WaterTube. Even the irrigated tree guards could not match WaterTube for stimulating growth rates and, more importantly, survival. This is because WaterTube does more than just supply water. It's how it does it that makes it unique. WaterTube constantly delivers water at the most critical time for a newly planted tree. It continues to nurture the plant for 16 days. The initial water flow starts out at 3.5 litres a day, diminishing to 500 millimetres on the last day. As the water flow rate reduces, the plant is forced to spread its root system and matures faster, becoming a stronger tree. Another benefit is the ecosystem WaterTube creates. In a process known as latent heat effusion, the water cooling in the tube each evening actually gives off heat. This protects the plant even when temperatures dip to below freezing point. During extreme heat, the water passing through the dripper is cooled, thus distributing water to the plant at the same ambient temperature as the atmosphere. In this arid land of ours, soil salinity and water conservation have become major issues. WaterTube is a solution to both these problems. Research has shown the amazing waste of traditional watering methods. Watering rates were compared through an average summer. A watering can of water once a day used 900 litres. A handheld hose for 10 minutes once a day used 20,000 litres. A hose-connected sprinkler for 10 minutes a day used 15,000 litres. A fixed sprinkler on for 10 minutes a day used 30,000 litres. A drip system running 60 minutes a day used 30,000 litres. A WaterTube dripping 24 hours a day, filled twice a month, used only 120 litres. The results speak for themselves. There is no more economical method of watering plants than with WaterTube. Installation is easy. All you need are 3 hardwood stakes, a WaterTube and a coil dripper. The stakes are hammered into the ground around the plant. The WaterTube is then placed around this triangular frame. The coil dripper is wound into the bag approximately 5 centimetres from the base. Varying the coil's length and the amount it's wound into the bag will adjust the flow rate. WaterTube is an Australian and world first. It's patented and has been endorsed by the New South Wales Innovation Council, the Olympics Business Roundtable, and has been selected as a featured product in the Australian Technology Showcase. WaterTube is attracting major attention from overseas markets, particularly where water is scarce and where economies of maintenance are sought. There is no one reason to use WaterTube. There are many. It's 100% recyclable. It's easy to install. It saves water. It saves time and labour costs. It'll save your plants. Your plants will grow faster and thrive. This all adds up to better productivity for your effort. With WaterTube, growing healthy trees has never been easier. Australia is one of the luckiest countries in the world. It is rich in nearly every